more assertive, first is to understand how to self-regulate yourself. And what does self-regulation means? We are all humans. We get emotional, right? Someone says something, we're going to be angry, sad, or frustrated. I just want to remind you, you do not have to respond right away to that person. So whatever you are feeling, honor those feelings, give yourself space and time to reflect it over. Why were you angry? Maybe someone said something to you and it reminded you of a time when you were bullied when you were a kid. And what were you angry about? What were you sad about? Maybe you realized that you weren't sharing these things. So take time to reflect. I like referring to zones of regulation where in the red zone you're mad, the blue zone you're sad. The goal is to be in the green zone. Green zone means you are calm and you're able to share your thoughts and feelings. So when you're in the green zone, when you are more calm, then share how you feel and your intention goal using iMessages. And when I mean iMessages, I'm not talking about Apple iPhone iMessages. So for example, maybe you want to say something like this to your colleague. I was really frustrated at the meeting because you didn't hear my response and my idea of doing A, B, and C. And I noticed that when person A shared my idea that I shared 5 minutes earlier, you noticed their response. So I just want to share that I feel like I'm being ignored and not heard.